It starts with a sound. Not music, not noise, but a heartbeat. The engine comes alive beneath you and suddenly everything else fades away. The stress, the noise, the world. Out here it's just you, the road and the unknown. Every corner tells a story. Every mile writes a new chapter. And every ride reminds you why you fell in love with this in the first place. It's not about the destination, it never was. It's about the freedom to chase horizons, to carve through mountains, to feel the wind, the cold, the heat, and know you're alive. Because riding isn't just something we do, it's who we are. We don't ride to escape life. We ride so life doesn't escape us. This is more than just a journey. This is Moto Trek, and this is where the road begins.